Hello everyone, welcome to Appium, a mobile automation testing from scratch tutorial. So before we start with this course, let's understand few basic queries which everyone have, before you purchase this. So let me take overview that. Yeah. So what is Appium? It's an mobile automation testing tool to test Android and iOS apps. It's not only used for native apps but also hybrid apps which involves a web view. Okay, so that's a single basic line you can say about Appium. It's a mobile automation tool. So more about this, how it got emerged and what is the Appium architecture, the versions of Appium we'll be discussing in our coming lectures. So just pretty straightforward. I want to make you clear that this course will help you to automate your mobile apps. Okay, you can start writing coding in the Appium APIs to test your Android and iOS apps with the help of this tool. Okay, so next, this is the question where I get from every student before they purchase. So how much Java we require to learn Appium, or how much Selenium we require? So I could say that forget about all this prerequisite. I assume that my students are from very scratch about this mobile testing or this automation world. Let me take you to this world with the help of with the way of my style of teaching and explain you everything. You need not worry though you are not good at Java or Selenium. Everything is taken care as part of this course. So when I teach something in with Appium, if something I have to teach about Java, then I do it parallelly. So you will never feel a scenario where that okay, I do not know the Selenium or Java, so I'm not understanding this. Okay, that kind of scenario you will never face in this course. Everything is taken from the scratch. That's the reason I deliberately made course title as automation testing from scratch. So we need not expect you to have some knowledge on any tool. So whatever knowledge is required to learn this, I'll be taking care as part of my lectures, right? Next, so how much syllabus you cover for this course? So basically once you complete the course, you will be able to automate your native Android apps, native iOS apps, hybrid apps in both Android and iOS. You will be able to complete that setup using Windows and Mac, and also you will understand how to develop a mobile automation framework. Okay, so in general learning Appium is one challenge, but that doesn't fulfill your goal. You need to know how to develop a framework for which suits for mobile testing. That we will be explaining from the scratch. There is involved some little bit extra concepts as well to learn framework. I'll be teaching everything, and then we will import our Appium test cases into that framework. Okay, so it's starting from base. You will learn till architect level. I will not just stop you by teaching Appium, but I'll also teach you how to design a mobile framework. Okay, that's the basic where you need when you work in a real time in any company, or when you face in any interview to get into job using Appium. Okay, so everything is covered as part of the course. You need not worry or check which is missing. So once you are done with the course, you will feel that confident that I have learnt all the concepts, right? Next, so do I need to have any prerequisite knowledge before learning this tool? Yes, just what I have told in second point. You need not have any knowledge. I assume that you are just fresher to a QA and you want to learn the mobile automation testing. That's all. You need not have any prerequisite knowledge except the aim or motivation to learn this course. That's it. That's the only motivation I need from you as a prerequisite. I need not have any technical knowledge I expect from you. Okay, next, how will you prepare us to handle real-time mobile projects? So this is also one of the favorite question I'll get from my colleagues, students. Okay, and I'll be taking all real-time projects only in my course. So the whatever apps I show to automate, all I'll just download from Google Play Store or iTunes, and I'll make sure that how do you gonna test it starting from pulling out from Play Store. Okay, so whatever it is, it's based on real time only. I just do not take any dummy example assuming that so there is an app or teaching some theoretical knowledge. Each and every lecture in this course is having complete practical knowledge only. Just you need to know. Fine. And we have a dedicated interview section module where I discuss the how to face interviews on Appium. We have good number of interview questions on this, and that section is keep on updating for every week, because whenever I get some I feel that these questions are some important to share with my friends and students, I'll just add them in our course. So even syllabus, you might seeing some syllabus now, and tomorrow it might be extended with few other topics. Whenever there is something in a market about Appium, I'll be adding that to our course. Fine. So it's the course will be keep on updating, and you will have to all the updated lectures till a lifetime. That's what I have seen here, or these videos for lifetime. Yes, all these videos are for lifetime. And how you need to contact trainer, just drop a query on the discussion board. I'll reply to that within a day. Okay, so whenever you have a query, just drop. There is a dedicated discussion board where 2000 people are participating on that every day, and they'll be interacting each other to get their doubts. This is one of the popular automation course where more than 2000 students got enrolled. So they'll be actively participating in their discussion forums and share their thoughts. Whenever people have doubts, they'll be discussing among ourselves, and I'll be solving all your queries if you got stuck anywhere with the tool, right? And the material, yes, we do provide material for every topic whatever we teach. There's a code dump also available. You can just download that code whatever I am teaching as part of the course, and you can run it, just copy paste into your editor, right? So once you are done with the entire course, you will get the certificate of Appium that for the completion of the course. And this is really very valuable. In the internet, this is the only course where 2000 plus students are learning together. Today it's 2000, and tomorrow by the time you watch, it may cross some 5 to 10,000, right? And if you get a course completion certificate from this popular tutorial, then it will be really added value to your resume. Fine. So these are the basic queries which I want to talk with you before we actually start with the course. Okay, so I just consolidated all the questions where basically students asked to me, and and I made it in a one slide, and hope you all clear with the questions whatever you have in your mind. So let's start with our day 1 lecture in our next video. Okay, thank you, and all the best.